Your new employee is ready to prove themselves in their new role. Help them set goals and gain a quick win by giving them a project they can tackle right away. We've put together 2 resources for you and your new employee. As a manager, you can use the first project guide to design an assignment that lets them use their skills while learning the nuances of your team. And make it meaningful. Ease them into the workflow with something that adds value. This is a chance to make a positive impression on each other. Give your new employee the goal-setting guide to understand their motivation and set short and long-term goals. You'll learn a lot about how they believe they can contribute to your goals. These valuable discussions also will show your company's commitment to helping the employee with their career objectives.